Good morning and welcome back to my Vlogmas. Today is day 8. Sun is out and I was thinking to go in the forest for a walk and forage to make a Christmas wreath. Before that I was thinking to make some nice breakfast with scrambled eggs, bagel, avocado and smoked salmon, and obviously open the advent calendars. I'm gonna use 4 eggs, and then I'm also gonna add a bit of egg white. I found this brand online. It's for 15 liquid egg whites. I've never used egg whites like this from a box, so I don't know how much you need to put to be 4 eggs. Like that. Such a beautiful color, the yolks. Now I'm gonna add some dill and some parmesan. And a pinch of salt. Let's heat up the pan. I found these sourdough bagels. They are gluten-free and vegan. It's called Good Grain Bakery. I ordered them online, so I want to see how they are. Let's test the pan. So the water is evaporating, which means it's not ready yet. I'm gonna get the plates ready. The pan is ready now. Now you can turn it down just a little bit. Make sure the fat is covering all the surface of the pan. Let's check the bagels. They smell nice. So as you can see, the egg is not sticking to the pan, and now you start and scramble it. Perfect avocado. A bit of olive oil. The egg is nice and warm. It's all ready. I'm gonna go and eat this, then do the advent coffee calendar, and then go to the forest. Let's try it. Let's try a bite. So okay. Let's see what we got today. Day 8. Hints of black currant tart. Origin Kenya roast light. Naroini translates to place of rest, a welcome idea for this time of year. But this brew is anything but sleepy. This is Kenyan coffee at its best, bursting with juicy black currant notes. Think thick, sweet and lush with a tangy berry spark on the tongue. Let's make it. Such a strong smell. Wow. Let's let the coffee rest and open the other advent calendar. Grow your own advent calendar. Day 8. Pak choy. Nice. I definitely didn't expect this one. It can be sown into pots or seed trays in early spring. You sow it in March, plant out in May, and then you can harvest throughout this time until October. Let's add it to the thing. I'm gonna add some cashew milk. It's so warm and nice. It's very flavorful, quite a strong taste and a bit of bitterness. The sun is shining, so I'm gonna drink the coffee and then get ready to go to the forest. We found some nice ivy, so I think we're gonna grab some strings from here. We got these two. I think it's enough for one wreath. Let's walk further in the forest and see what else we can find. There are also some cones here, so we're gonna pick a few up. We found some more here. They are a bit wet because it rained. We got enough cones, so let's see what else we can find. We just found the ivy. Let's walk further to that side because it looks like it's a bit more of them. This one here is quite pretty. This one is very nice. See? You have to be careful because they are quite spiky. Ow! So nice. This one is nice. I'm gonna cut it bigger. Oh wow, this is a really beautiful branch. I think I'm gonna get all of it. Yeah. And I also like this one. This is beautiful. Wow, look how nice is this one. We're gonna look to see what we can find to build the main structure. We'll probably need some bigger, thicker branches, and then maybe find other bits to decorate. We found a really nice vine for the structure. It's quite thick, this one. It's stuck here a little bit. So I think, yeah, this is the one that we're gonna use for the main structure.